we're back in the kitchen with our favorite chef, Miss Chef Babette Davis.
Wait, we have another chef.
And yeah, my beautiful plant-based little chef May as well.
Yeah, May is quite a chef.
She is, and so are you, and you're plant-based since you're 40, so 35 years old. And you guys, we cut open this beautiful jackfruit right from the farm the other day, and it was 32 pounds. Jackfruits are the world's largest tree-growing fruit, and they give so much food.
I know.
So Chef Babette saw me breaking the fruit apart, and I was about to throw out this part of the jackfruit and the seeds, and she's like, what are you doing? Those are a great use for different dishes. So here we have this video. She's gonna show us what we're doing.
Okay, so basically we decided we're gonna make a jackfruit version of carnitas. And so we took the fibers, this part of the jackfruit, that's generally wrapped around that part. And most people do discard this part, but I thought, nah, if I can chew it, I'm gonna do something with it. So what we did was we took red onion, shiitake mushrooms, we've got cilantro, and we've got sweet peppers, and May decided she was gonna add some spicy black beans to the tacos. So we're going to show you how we do this, and we put all of this in here and we sauteed it.
And let me tell you guys, I know I'm a raw foodie. This smells delicious.
Yeah, she wants some so bad, but she's a good girl. I try to get her to eat, but she won't do it. She just won't give me no love. She's like, no, I'm raw, sorry, Oh, are we putting beans on this, baby?
And to use some cilantro and tomato too, right? So people can use soft shells.
Okay. Yeah. Can you feel the soft shell for me?
Can you do soft shell? So I couldn't find corn tortillas this morning, you guys. So I got these from Sprouts. They're like a different type, but I think the best to get, right, Chef Babette, is
I like the corn tortillas because they're a little bit more. They chew better. These are. I don't know. They just, what is this?
This is like an almond flour cassava. Cassava flour or something.
And so it's a little chewy.
Yeah.
But still good.
Yeah, cool.
Hey, jackfruit tacos.
Whoa, that looks delicious.
Whoa.
Wait, I gotta get a picture.
Because of this shell. Now, normally I'd be using corn tortillas.
Yeah.
And they're a little bit crunchier. So we're gonna see if this
Can you
works.
make your own corn tortillas too?
I've only made the raw corn tortillas.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, and put in the dehydrator and that sort of thing.
Or people can order and buy
All right,
those.
so here goes.
Okay, let's see, taste
I don't want nobody laughing at me.
No, we don't judge on this channel.
But you don't
Everybody loves you.
Are you sure?
Yeah,
you don't know if these people are going to laugh at me if this doesn't bite right.
Okay, then they have problems.
Okay, here goes.
Looks good. May you gotta taste this too.
Oh my God.
I can tell by the smell. It smells so good.
Get it, man.
Who cares? Tacos are a mess to eat them, but they're worth it, right?
I love the beans.
See, this is a good replacement for Taco Tuesday. We don't need to be going out we don't have to have pork, right? We can maybe 1 week replace the pork or try for every week with something like this.
But you just make sure when you have something as huge as a jackfruit, if you can get ultimate items of food, because we're going to take the seeds, and we'll come back and show you that.
Okay, that's the next video.
The next video, it's going to be a curry dish that we're going to make out of the seeds. So we're not throwing any part of this jackfruit away, except for the outer. And tell them how good that was.
Okay, this is the best jackfruit of my entire life. And jackfruit is super, super high in protein. And it does have a really meaty texture. So for people maybe coming off meat or feel like they miss like that thick, meaty texture, this is where it's at. So, and you just feel so healthy eating this.
So good.
And okay, so when you sauteed all this, any other deeper instructions we should give in case somebody's a beginner and they're like, how long do I saute it? What oil do I put down?
Well, you know what I did? That's a good, thank you. Julian, thanks. Last time I used the jackfruit out in LA, this fiber wasn't orange like this, and it didn't have that sweetness to it. So what I did was this, I collected all the fiber after she was done, because that jackfruit was huge, and I put it in some water, and I allowed it to boil. And I seasoned it a little bit with Bragg's liquid amino. Now you can use sea salt or whatever you desire, but that's what I did. Make sure you don't over salt it, because when I first tried to fry it after I got all the water off of it, I noticed that it had a little higher salty content for me, and Bragg's can do that. Normally I water Bragg's down. But so you just want to, if it comes off like Florida, they got some jackfruit that ain't no joke. I'm telling you, my jackfruit at home it wasn't this color and did not have the sweetness. So it was very easy for me to just, from the jackfruit to the skillet and saute with all my veggies. This one, I had to give it some love to make sure that it was not going to be too chewy and that it wasn't going to be too sweet. Yeah. So,
yeah, well said.
And we figured it out.
See, plant-based is easy, delicious, fun. You're really not missing out. Okay.
But the tacos are really good.
Yeah, they're good, right, May? What do you think? Yeah, good. Okay, you guys, go make this and get creative.
And make sure you get your spicy black beans.
These are good, May. Quick, do you want to share how you make these?
Yeah, you want to tell
I'll
them
get the
how you
mic
did
near you because I'm wearing the mic.
I put cumin, allspice, chili powder, paprika powder, salt, and chipotle powder, and black pepper, and a little bit of coriander.
Yeah.
And then I mix it in a bowl, and then I put it on the pan. I drain the beans and then rinse them, and then put the beans on the pan, and then put the spices on the beans.
I'm impressed.
Yeah, it's a healthy Chipotle version. Good job. Okay, perfect. Well, I think we've covered everything, right?
Yeah.
Perfect. And
But it's good.
we're going to make something really delicious with the seeds next. I had no idea you could do this. It's mind-blowing. So you guys stay tuned for that. And right now I'll pop on the screen. We did a video with Chef Babette where what she eats in a day. And another really awesome video as well. I'll put those on the screen right now and all the links, everything down below. Love you guys. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.